How to remove a member in a group chat in Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Messenger and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the group chat that you want to remove people from. And once you're here, what you need to do is click on the info icon at the top right of the screen, and from the group info section click on see chat members. And once you're here, click on the person that you want to remove, say for example this one, and from the first section click on remove from group and it will be removed, as you can see. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove people from group chats on Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.